Huge open ceilings, tall ceilings, insane view. Hi, buddy.
He likes his yard. There we go.
Good morning from San Pedro La Laguna. We are not in Antigua anymore.
Nope.
We want to give a little update. So we are renting a house on Lake Atitlán. We want to show off the house and show off the little location, show off more mango. People have been wanting more mango. He is here. He is safe and sound. We are very happy.
See the house.
So let's see the house. Mango. Without further ado, Grace, the house hunter.
Get out of the sun. This is where we spend a lot of our time. We have like an outdoor couch over here, a few extra chairs, but mostly it's the view.
Insane view.
Stand out here, drink coffee.
So many cups of coffee, so many cups of tea.
We edit out here. Some beers, cocktails maybe. But it's just the most perfect spot to enjoy any part of your day.
It's incredible.
Wow.
Oh, awesome. Mango continues finding crazy things in the yard from the construction.
You're gonna kill yourself. How you suffocate and die.
Anyway, so Mango continues finding stuff in the yard from the construction. It's recently built, last year and a half or so.
Just eating rocks now.
So there's some parts like here, grass hasn't been grown in yet, but I mean, the garden, everything else is just perfect.
Mango loves it for its digging abilities. Banana trees. We have 6 of them on the property. 6 banana trees.
All of these are coffee beans right here.
Oh yeah,
so,
all these plants here.
Coffee beans. And
You can actually see one
or coffee.
right
I keep saying
there.
Coffee beans. I mean coffee
And
plants.
Mango's just gonna come in and eat it. Go away.
Not coffee beans, they're coffee plants, but producing coffee beans.
Mango has a stick obsession.
The amount of sticks
Absolute
in the yard
obsession.
from right here.
Yeah. Okay, but those are our banana trees. You can actually see some bananas right there.
More views of the lake. All right, now to the inside.
The inside.
Continuous sticks throwing every single day. You ready? Okay, come on. Come on.
He gets so dirty so fast.
Insanely dusty. Okay.
Welcome to our home. This is the kitchen slash common area. The way they built this house was really smart for just a couple, just not like a whole lot of living space for others. But the bathroom is incredible. They have all this beautiful handmade local tile. Yes, I asked if it was local. And Barbie, of course, keeping us on our toes.
So funny.
This is our couch, which we have gracefully covered up with sheets and anything we can find to protect it from the dusty boy.
He's not allowed on this furniture down here, but he's a golden retriever. Sometimes
We don't
rules
know.
don't apply.
Yeah.
Got a fireplace right here because, believe it or not, it does get cold in Guatemala, especially where we are. We're about 5,000 feet above sea level, so kind of like almost Denver, Colorado. And so it gets chilly regardless of how far south we are. It's all about elevation.
It's just a nice option.
Yeah,
But
for sure.
Everywhere in the house, this is a common theme. Just
Views on
windows.
views. I had to put on little stickers, chicken buses they look like, because birds continuously fly in to the windows, and also Mango. First day we got here, smacked into this door right here, but so far so good. But yeah, there's the kitchen, little storage areas, modern appliances, amazing.
So nice.
And I guess we'll take you upstairs. Huge window, looking out into the garden. Amazing. Huge open ceilings, tall ceilings, insane view.
Honestly, the best part about this house is the light.
Yeah, so much natural light. Waking up to this every single day.
Yep.
Wild.
So this is our terrace. This is not connected to the bottom floor, which is kind of nice because we work out up here without Mango.
Insane. So, a lot of coffee up here as well. Like she said, we're working out up here most mornings, so not a horrible view.
Oh, it's all right. Also, out here though is optionally an outdoor shower, which is so lovely. So, you want to just head right into the bathroom?
Might as well.
The indoor shower, just as lovely, just as spacious.
Huge shower, of course. The throne with a view, but yeah.
This is actually one of my favorite features in the whole house is this tile.
Oh my gosh.
It's handmade here in Guatemala and it just makes me happy. How does that not make you happy? And then back out into the bedroom.
Yeah.
So here's our wardrobe real fast. Actually very large. This was much larger than I thought we were gonna get. So it's been really great because we did bring a lot of stuff with us. When I say a lot of stuff, I mean like
This
more
is
than
a
the average
this is a lot for
backpacker.
us, yeah. And like she said, exactly. More than the average backpacker. We're normally traveling, carry-on backpacks, but because we are doing more slow travel, working online, producing content, we wanted to
Have options.
have options. ¿Por qué no?
So today, we're probably going to be taking you down to the lake. As you can see, we're about a stone's throw away from this beautiful, actually nicknamed maybe possibly the most beautiful lake in the world. Lake
Did you
Mango.
name that?
No, that's legitimate. Like
Oh.
the internet says it's the most.
Has to be true.
If you look up Lake Atitlán, its nickname is the most beautiful lake in the world.
Wow, I didn't know that.
Yeah, so Mango obviously loves the water. If you guys followed us at any point for our creek journeys with him
Oh my
on
gosh.
Instagram, we're gonna take him down to the water and see what he thinks.
All right, so see you at the beach. Okay, we are on the way to the lake. It's a little windy right now, but it'll be fun. The water is super blue. All around the lake, there's little mini access points. So yeah, that was the path we just came down. Pretty intense, but then it opens up to this. Crazy. Absolutely beautiful.
Look how majestic he is.
What do you think, dude? It's the first time he's ever seen waves. The last time we came down here, just a couple of days ago, it was like glass. It was so calm. And now he has no idea what's going on. So there's plenty of spots all along the beach. It's a lot more rock here. Go a little bit further down, it's sand. Go a little bit further up. We just picked a nice little spot. We're taking Mango on a walk. So
A little hike for him, plus he gets to see the waves.
we try to go down different paths to the beach every single time at different ones, so we can kind of get Mango used to being all around. So far, pretty decent off leash, but we don't like to let him go too far.
Still not a great listener, he's a puppy.
Yeah. Hi, buddy. Come here.
What a view.
Get the poop bags out.
Yeah, right?
Very successful day at the beach. I just got in a lovely chat with an adorable young man in a cowboy hat doing work on the beach. But anyway, we are headed back to the house. I think going to practice some Spanish with our buddy Mario that's up there working at the house. And then we're going to grab a couple drinks and get some dinner at a place we've been wanting to check out. So if you want to follow along, we're going to be including it in this.
Date night, date night, date night.
Date night.
That handsome boy. Of course.
He's camera shy.
I don't know why, he's the best part of the family.
So pretty here. Cannot get over it.
Cheers to death. Looks like that part in the Lord of the Rings where it like shrinks in on you.
So I think we're gonna go jump on a tuk-tuk, go get some drinks, grab some food, and maybe hit a little tienda.
Yeah, we just need a few things, but it's date night.
Date night. All right, on the way.
Let's go.
Perfect.
Trying to get you. Supposedly one of the best restaurants on the side of town. Not where we're going to get food tonight, but definitely on a future date night.
Definitely on the list.
Comes highly recommended.
Yeah. So we're excited to check that out.
Yeah.
Looks super cute.
So cute.
Almost there. Maybe. I don't know. We're waiting on a tuk-tuk.
drinks.
Apparently, the one time we need a tuk-tuk, we can't find one anywhere.
Usually they are up and down the street constantly waving us down.
Yeah.
And now the one time we're like not gonna make it to happy hour because we got out of the house late, they're not tuk-tuks.
I'm practicing Spanish with Mario.
I'm not mad at you. I'm just, you know,
I know.
this girl wants pina colada.
I'm ready for you to have a pina colada.
Thanks.
I think, all right, here's one. Perfect. We're gonna make happy hour.
Yes, worth it.
Gracias. Para ti. Gracias. Buenas tardes. So, yeah, because they can't fit back here.
Okay.
So, we got dropped off as close as we could to El Barrio, or sorry, Ola Bar, which is right next to El Barrio. And yeah, I love this little part of town. It's super, super pretty.
Immediately friends. Making biscuits. Took me 2 minutes to make an animal friend. In case you're wondering, this is $4 together. This is $4 cocktails. So that's why we come here. Cheers, my love. I'm gonna need to bean on it.
It is dinner time.
You're so I'm just kidding. You have a sweet soul. I love you.
So, what'd you think?
It was incredible. The Indian was actually so good.
Yeah.
It was really like quality.
I heard them talking to other tables and they really pride themselves on like the Guatemalan Indian fusion.
Mm-hmm.
And so we can't wait to go back and try some of the other dishes. There's like
So many places we need to get to.
So stay tuned. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that jazz. If you want to see more of San Pedro and more of just Lake Atitlán as a whole, branch out to more of Guatemala, but for now it's mango in the lake.
Lake life.
Lake life. Thanks for watching and
See ya.
see you. Alright. What'd you think?
Of what? The whole day? What did you think?
I loved it.
Yeah?
Okay, so
Talking to the people. There you go.
good boy.